Do not be wrapped up in things without me. Memories of your past good experiences with me will never create my kingdom. I am not going anywhere. I am always there. I am here, trying to share myself with you personally. I simply want to express my desires to you. It is you who are wrapped up in so many other things without me. Please adjust your level of responsibility based on the 3 blessings of my ideal of creation. This kind of responsibility you have to manifest it in every level of your physical, earthly life, in work, social things, sports or other things in different levels. Every situation is for you to ascend and realize your eternal responsibility. Don't be like the Christians, men and women, who meet me once on Sunday in Sunday service. During Christmas, because they are so busy in their lives with lots and lots of responsibilities, so busy that they lose the center of their lives, which is me and my ideal. It is a tactic of Satan to create a world where you live so full of things, full of programs, full of entertainment, so hectic, so materialistic, so technological, so full of sexuality, power, money, so that all this can make people easily lose the purpose of their lives and not live my ideal. Look at how many senators, people leaders, heads of state are so busy, they are so important, successful, but in the end they often end up wrapped up in some great scandal and corruption, and so many of them even lose their dignity in their family, and become a disgrace to their own family. They are full of their self-centered activities, their prestigious positions, but in the end they are losing their life. They are losing the highest center of their life. They are terminating it. They are becoming spiritually empty, suffocated, and also prisoners of their agendas, their daily life schedules. Is it in these kinds of things that you want your life to be based? The only agenda you need in your life is my ideal and your personal connection with me. This is the most important appointment in your life and in your day. Do not live your life without me. Do not be wrapped up in things without me.